YouTubers, welcome to my channel, and we're trying to make a clamp here for this drill press using this clamp. It could be a Bessie or you can get it at Harbor Freight, and we don't want to just put it to the drill press like that. We want to have it so we can take it away and move more freely because we have a sliding fence right here. What we have here is this stick here, and I'm going to mark it just right through here because we're going to cut it, and we're going to mount the clamp here, and this is going to slip over this whole table like that when we get done. So I'm going to put a little glue here, right here. Let's spread it out like that. One there. I have to add a T-bolt here and drill it. I had to put a butterfly in here. We're going to get a longer bolt and butterfly and thumb screw for this, and it's done like that. And then you hold your piece down and you can drill it. And that's the project for today. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Rate and subscribe.